The program WeShareEnergy allows to simulate electricity sharing and evaluate the rules according to which electricity can be shared. The user interface is divided into two principal areas. On the left side, a tools area, allowing the registration of load curves, the configuration of the sharing key and the selection of the period. On the right side, a results area, presenting the energy balances in graphic and tabular form. The first step is to add consumers and producers. To this end, the tool accepts the registration of load curves which can be obtained from your grid operator or energy supplier. After clicking on the Add Command button, at the top right of the consumers or producers surface, an input window appears. In this window, the name of the consumer or producer must be entered, the company which provided the load curve must be selected from a drop-down menu, and finally the load curve file, in CSV, XLS or XLSX format, must be selected. After validation, the program checks the integrity of the file. If successful, the load curve appears in the consumer's or producer's surface, as well as in the results area. This step can be repeated until all consumers and producers of the sharing group are registered. At any time, new members can be added or deleted. The addition or deletion of members leads to the deletion of the energy balances previously calculated. Once the different load curves have been registered, the criteria according to which the electrical energy is shared between the members can be defined. The Sharing Key Configuration button brings up an input window listing all the consumers, on the left, and producers, on the right. For each consumer, it is possible to define a priority or a percentage, and for each producer a priority can be configured. In addition, for consumers, it is possible to decide whether the surplus of electrical energy generated by the producers, remaining after taking into account priorities and percentages, must be distributed according to the pro rata method. To confirm the defined sharing key criteria, you must use the Validate button. It is possible to modify these criteria at any time, by repeating this process. Changing the sharing key results in the deletion of the energy balances previously calculated. Based on all recorded load curves and considering the sharing key, the application can now calculate the energy balance for each consumer and producer. To do this, simply click on the Compute button. Depending on the number of consumers and producers, this process can take a few seconds or several minutes. Once the energy balances have been calculated, the results are presented in tabular and graphical form on the right side of the program. Thus, for the selected period, three information are available for consumers: the original consumption values, denoted total energy, the electrical energy received from the sharing group, taking into account the sharing key, denoted energy from community, and finally the electrical energy taken from the grid, denoted energy from network. In the same way, three information are available for the producers: the originally produced electrical energy, denoted total energy, the electrical energy shared with the sharing group, taking into account the configured sharing key, denoted energy to community, and finally the electrical energy injected into the grid, denoted energy to network. Each of these information can be displayed graphically by clicking on the corresponding checkbox in the table. It is also possible to modify the display period, by selecting either the last 7 days, the last 365 days, or by specifying a personalized interval between two dates. Simulating electricity sharing with your neighbors and others and evaluating the rules by which electricity can be shared is that simple.